Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? Hope you are well. On behalf of Master VD, best wishes and congratulations to all. Hello viewers, today I have brought for a new videos which will be advised to say. The video how to install Windows 10 USB flash mode. I will explain in today's video how to it beautifully. And before starting the video, I would like to say those are the new my YouTube channel, and please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and other friends circle share video. So let's start the video without delay. Start with me. Today my video how to install Windows 10. Firstly, your working and PC opener off, no problem. Then PC open, then Windows, then restart. Okay. Then before the Windows install and pen drive or CD or DVD and input your PC or laptop or tablet. Okay. Then restart. Then any key total 108 key and keyboard, then automatic open and F12 key chap automatically F12. Okay. Then Windows SR SP Lenovo, then maximum time F12, or in case and problem F or F10 or F11. Okay. Then USB adapter is showing my laptop or PC, and my pen drive is showing, then your pen drive is showing, then enter click. Okay. Then enter click. Then step 3, install Windows to the new PC. Connect the USB flash drive to a new PC. Turn on the PC and press the key. Open bootable device in selection menu of the computer such as the ES or F10, F12, F11 or okay. Then I told your and PC from the drive. Then Windows setup status. Then automatically Windows and language and install English, United States and time and currency format. Then United and English. Then keyboard and USA. Okay, you can change. Okay, you can change. You can country select. Okay. Then the next button click. Then install now. Okay. Then what you need: Windows 10 install ISO or DVD drive and USB flash drive with the at least 5 GB or maximum space, and Windows bootable and pen drive or DVD. Okay. And minimum 5 GB and maximum you can choice. Then does not have important flash drive. Destination PC or that will be installed in on your PC. Okay. Then applicable and notice and license term you can tick mark added. Then next button click. Then customize Windows only advanced. Okay. Then my before Windows and 34 GB megabyte. Then select the you can any drive and format. Then select the format. Then select the format. Then select the format. Then the my Windows C drive and format. Then okay. Then next button click. Okay. Then the Windows automatically getting copy Windows file automatically X%. Okay. Then getting file ready for installation. Then 100%. Okay. You can minimum 15 or 20 minutes late you can follow again and Windows 10 in update Windows setup your file. Okay. Then the setup and format the device and set up the primary partition. Already primary partition is a format. Okay. Then connect the USB flash and drive you can the technical PC, then the your choice. Then opening management and flash and measurement and manage the your PC and computer drive. Chooses in management the format the partition, right the click the already my C drive already automatically and already and format and new Windows 10 and edit. Okay, then format and right the click the Windows format and select the F80 FAT 64 or 30 byte, and you can laptop your choice and 34 bit 32 bit or 64 bit or 86 bit fan drive laptop or PC. You can use 86 bit any laptop, then I am suggest your Windows and 32 bit, then 64 bit and Windows, then 64 bit and Windows, and easily and running your computer and easily day by day your uses. Okay, then BIOS setup you FET. Okay, the based on the set permission active, right the click the use bit drive and partition and click marks and partition active, that is for the Windows able. Then please share and do not forget your subscribe good day as a like a care. Okay, then 68% already done now automatically, and you can 5 minutes left, you can automatically Windows 8.1 before, then after the Windows 10 update automatically. Okay, the no tension your choice. Okay, you can see, and 4 minutes left. You can easily and Windows how to install Windows 7, 8 and 8.1 and 10 or maximum time in automatically easily. You can my video is how to one click and see the my video, then next time you any laptop any Windows you can easily set up your others fan circle your share and helpful the video, then others fan circle your you have install the Windows. Okay, then automatically several time in Windows restart and automatically open, no tension. Once automatically Windows 10 and automatically open, automatically open already done. You can choose anytime, just a moment your features update now. Okay, your Windows 8.1 and 8 and 10 maximum time is requirement your software use and laptop uses, then automatically added, then automatically your features and update automatically install now, then just a few minutes and left. Then let's start the region, and this is the region, and is this right, you can easily and country select yes, you can any country and then yes, then you can United States and then yes. Okay, just a moment time. Okay, then you can use it, then you can change your country language and keyboard, any keyboard, then changes, then yes, then skip. Then let's say connect your to a network, no network, then skip now. Okay, then skip, then yes, this, then skip, then no, then just a moment. Okay, then PC name. Okay, then G1, then next, any PC name, then password, then next, then confirm password, then next, then answer, then first name, then first name, then first name, then second, then J1, then you can any name your choice, then oldest cousin, then just a moment, you can anytime 3 question you can choose. Okay, then no, then expect your device and all, find your name, then automatically yes, expect. Okay, then I already done 95%, 100% okay already. Windows setup your working, just a few minutes, 1 minute and left, and you can all devices formatting, then you can several time your PC and open, already done. Okay, then almost they are almost PC already done. Okay, this is complete your PC and install now this. Okay, this is the performance your the Windows 10 you already done, the no more today. So far, so friends, so far I have not told you before that you subscribe, and any person, any people your my channel is subscribed, please my channel is subscribe, then press the bell icon, and any fan circle is share, then I will be among with more new videos, and inshallah then all is well, stay health. Allah, assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.